Hi, Kevin Henry, the Managing Editor for Dental Economics, here today at the Blue Apple Health booth here at the Chicago Midwinter Meeting in Chicago. And speaking with Danny Bobrow, Climb for a Cause. And I know a lot of you are familiar with Climb for a Cause. You've seen some of the videos that we've done in the past, and we're going to be expanding that relationship, which I'm real excited about.
As are we.
But one of the things that we wanted to really talk about today was a new aspect of Climb for a Cause. It's called Smile Tree. And so, Danny, kind of explain what the Smile Tree is.
Sure, I'd be happy to. And first, I want to acknowledge Kevin for his friendship and support. And Dental Economics, Penwell in general, has been helping us out since 1998, get the word out. So we're
glad to do it.
Forever grateful, and we're especially grateful and excited about the fact that Kevin's going to be joining us on one of our dental projects, the one in Guatemala in November.
That's right. Ready for it.
It's going
to get in shape now.
You're going to love it. Yeah. Well,
that's my next thing. So
I think you'll be ready.
Okay.
So as many of you know, Climb for a Cause has been around, Dentist Climb for a Cause, since 1998. Every year we pick a different destination, and we invite doctors and their teams to join us to do well by doing good, which it's a whole package. We help them get in shape, give them a focal point, a goal to hike, not necessarily climb, but to hike a mountain. They're not technically dangerous or challenging,
Gotcha.
but they do pose a physical challenge. And that's great, and we have a great time. People meet a lot of like-minded people, and we raise funds and create awareness, and everyone has a good time. But we've recognized for some time that not every dental practice is in a position to join us to go hike a mountain every year. And that's really what the motivation was behind Smile Tree. Smile Tree is an opportunity for you to put big smiles on little people's faces around the globe by becoming a branch office of the Smile Tree. And what that entails is providing the office with basically physical manifestations of this fact that they are a branch office. We'll provide you with a poster that signifies you as an official branch office of the Smile Tree. We provide you with lapel buttons, you and your team. We'll do a fundraising webpage if you want it. We communicate with your local media so that we can let the community at large know about your good works, as well as to communicate with your patients of record. We'll do press releases. When I say we, my company, American Dental Marketing, demonstrates its commitment to supporting your efforts and thanking you for helping us with our fundraising by providing our support at no cost. So the fundraising page, the in-office display materials, including the posters and the lapel buttons and the floss cards, like this here, that's all free.
Okay.
And all we ask in exchange is that you commit to $75 per month, for which you adopt a dental clinic. You can adopt up to 6 dental clinics. And one way to raise that money, an easy way, is to just, when you're checking out your patient, ask them if they would like to add $1 to today's treatment to support the clinic or clinics that we have adopted.
Gotcha.
And every few months you'll receive mailings and communications from us, like photographs, letters, reports from the actual clinics, from the kids that you helped, which will have a letter written to you thanking you in particular. We take photographs of the kids. If you have stationery or a logo that you want us to bring with us to Guatemala or Nepal, we'll do that. So it's a really nice way to show the practice that you have a heart, and to demonstrate that more clearly to your patients. We also will help you organize a party. If you want to have a local party, which is a lot of fun, it's a great way to get in front of the public. You invite your patients, and of course they invite their friends and family, and you can invite local merchants to support you in your efforts, and that's how we sort of grow the Smile Tree. So that's pretty much it in a nutshell.
And where do people go to get more information?
They can learn more by going to climbforacause.org or smiletree.org. You can call me directly at 1-800-723-6523, and my email address is director@climbforacause.org.
Sounds like some good things happening.
We're very excited, and again, glad to have you on board.
Well, we're glad to be a part of this great cause, and we'll look forward to giving you some updates in the coming months about what's going on as we get ready to go to Guatemala.
Fantastic. Thanks,
All right.
Kevin.
Thanks, Danny. Appreciate it.
Pleasure.